Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, November 12th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, as Fridays go, we didn't do too badly today, but nothing to celebrate at all. The Dow broke its 3 day losing streak here and recovered 179 points. That's what I would expect. In my opinion, this is kind of a fake, become almost a fake market. It's not going to go down. It's going to continue giving the illusion that this is a bull market, and it's not a bull market. In my opinion, the money that's being made in this market is on the short side by hedge fund managers, and a rising Dow just gives the illusion that this is a bull market and encourages people to buy stocks, which are then sold by the hedge fund managers who are making a fortune shorting this stuff. My opinion, somewhat radical, but that's what I see is really going on here. We had negative $1,200 in open trade yesterday. We had seven uh, positions coming in, closed out five of them negative and only two positive, and we went from negative $1,200 to negative $5,000. So, typical pattern, we saw our uh, profits decrease by holding overnight. That's been what we've been up against. We did, however, do a little better on our entries. We got into six new positions, four positive, only two negative, and we're positive nearly $9,000 holding over the weekend with those six positions. So that's a little better. But, the problem is if we're going to make money, we need to be making money getting out and with our new positions getting in. And it seems like no matter what happens, one's negative and one's positive, and typically uh, the the negative is greater than the positive. Today was a slight exception, but nothing to write home to mother about. That is certainly the case. Negative 5,000 getting out, and positive about 9,000 in new positions. I'll show you two stocks here. This first one illustrates the the continuous problem that we have. This is SI, which is Silvergate Capital Corporations. We've had some good trades with this, but yesterday we bought this right out of the gate, and it tried a couple times during the day to go profitable, and then it settled back slightly negative, and then we got thrown under the bus this morning. Uh, and that costs us $3,500. And note that where our exit point is pretty close to the low of the day. Just nothing about the system is working right with this 2 day movement in Silvergate Capital Corporation. And you're always going to get these trades. But it's just this pattern illustrates what we are up against, just seemingly over and over again, and with the majority of the trades we take. We did have one good one, and I'll show you that. This is AVTE, which is Aerovate Therapeutics Incorporated, and we bought this today with about 2.5 hours to go, and it held up there and big push right at the end there, closing near its high, and we are up $6,700 in Aerovate Therapeutics Incorporated. So that looks real good. Hey, you guys have a great weekend. I will be back here on Monday. Next week is got Thanksgiving stuck in there on Thursday, so it could be kind of a slow weekend or a slow week with the holiday in the middle. Traders take off and take off the whole week, so things will get pretty thin. Sometimes, not always. We'll just have to see. Anyway, I'll see you next Monday as usual.